Okay, Timothy, here's your plans. I blew it up a little bit and printed it out. So I started by removing the wire 15 where it's attached to terminal 17. And then I routed it back to A4. So here's terminal 17 right in there, and the 15 wires off, and I put the 2 new wires there, but I'll show you that next. So I rerouted that wire 15 from terminal block 1, terminal 6, you can see it there, and it stayed in this nice big loom. I didn't have to mess with it, so I just pulled it back a little bit and rerouted it to A4 right there, wire 15. Okay, so I got that done. Next, after that, I installed the wires for A03 and A05 that join and go right down to terminal 17 on the control switch. Since I did remove the control switch, so and then I put it back all carefully and everything's great. So I labeled it. Now I got A05 and A03 landed on terminal 17. And I carefully routed them back through and brought them around. So A03 and A05 terminated on the orange block. Next, I ran the wire from terminal 16, and there was already one black wire, and I added one onto that terminal 16 to go to A06. So here it is. I labeled it A06, and that's terminal 16 where it joined that wire, ran it through and all the way around. And landed it on the terminal block and labeled it A06 right there. Okay. I ran the two wires to the red light, X1 terminal and X2 terminal. For X1, I ran it right up to number A10. For X2, I ran it all the way up to A11. So here's the red light. There's X1, there's X2. You can see the wire. A10 is on X1. A11 is on X2. I ran them through the wire mold down to A10 and A11 right on the terminal block. And that's it. I just turned off this one fuse switch right there. It's the 110 volt coming in, I guess. And I left the neutral one on, and that killed all the power.